How to use Lyft Business Profile for work travel. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to use Lyft Business Profile for travel work. So to set up a business travel program and switch to business profile when you write, you could go and create a profile. So for that, go ahead and open up your Lyft application and tap on the menu icon. So tap on the tab bar and go to settings. As you go to settings, you could then select a payment method and tap the done button. So basically what you could do is just go ahead and select your settings and go to payment method. Unfortunately, I do not have this. So what next you want to do is go to business profile. Now then go to business profile, then go to programs. After that, you need to select add programs and then add an internal name, rider facing communications. Then choose an expense type and select ride restriction. Finally, select an expense management provider and published programs. Once you've done it so, you could switch to business profile and then forward the ride receipt. So this way you'll be able to switch to the business profile. Otherwise, you could also do this feature that is they have this Lyft ping. You could go to this section where it says ride like a VIP every time you ride, and the Lyft ping member enjoy exclusive benefit on average. Members save up to $23 per month on the ride. So you could see this way. You could also go ahead and click on the join now button and start with the select plan. So that's how you could use your Lyft business profile for work travel. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.